Maine only has one college football team in their state. So today we changed that with the Maine Elks. The Maine Elks are right next to the Maine Bears. They are starting off in the Sun Belt Division on the west side though. Now let's go beat their team. For starters, we have a quarterback with a crazy arm. His name is Ethan Springs. A lefty with a cannon, pretty quick and loose with it. Next we have the fastest wide receiver in the game, Jet Moore. And his name matches his style. With that quick speed, you are not going to stop him one-on-one. And the last one, we have our short but elusive running back, Isaac Galloway. He is really quick with it. He's quick and elusive, like I just said a second ago. But he cannot break a tackle for anything. If it's 5'5" height, he cannot break a tackle. He is not that good. In week 1, they take the W against FCS Southeast. Does this game really count? No. But does this really matter? Yes. This really shows that they are a dominant team. I'm telling you guys, bro. I'm telling you guys. In week 2, they pull off the upset victory against Alabama. Like, this team is really, like, this team is cooking, I'm telling you guys. The next game against Acre was like a nail biter. They were going back and forth until we got to this ending. It was crazy. I thought he caught it, but they said he didn't get the touchdown. Look at the replay. Let's see it. So after that loss, they started bouncing back, getting all these wins. They had a win streak. So, truth be told, they were doing really good. They were doing really good. They beat Coastal Carolina. Then we had another close game that I'm about to show you right now. This one was crazy because after the game, we learned some sad news. We learned that starting quarterback Ethan Springs had got injured. But I think that saved the team. After that, they beat Arkansas State. After that, they put absolute PTA to UL Monroe. Rock with me. After the BTA session to UL Monroe, they got invited into the Sun Belt Championship. They put BTA to James Madison. That was in the Sun Belt Championship too. Yeah. After that, we got invited to the Frisco Bowl. In the Frisco Bowl, it was a real close game. I'm gonna let you guys see this ending. And then, yeah. After that, we got invited to the Frisco Bowl. In the Frisco Bowl, it was a real close game. I'm gonna let you guys see this ending, and then yeah. During the off season, they only had 5 recruits. 5 recruits. They went from unranked unknown to number 15. They're Sunbelt champions, and they only got 5 recruits. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and like for part 2, man. Like for part 2.
Nigma.